Do you wish to become wealthy one day? Well, you need to acquire some basic money skills to get there. Today's video is all about those skills. Hi and welcome back to another video. If you clicked on this video, you probably are looking to improve your financial situation, learn new money skills, or just because the title was intriguing. In any case, being wealthy is not something that an average person is born with. It is built with pure hustle and dedication. And along the way, you can learn new money skills that could help you become better with money and ultimately become wealthy. So what are these money skills that would possibly make you a millionaire one day so that you can feel financial freedom and not worry about money ever again? Well, hang in there because you're about to have an aha moment. The first skill that is actually not really considered a skill is making money. Yeah, that's pretty basic. I figured you would say that, but mentioning it here is important. Having a 9 to 5 is security and life is great. Something we should all have at the base level of our financial life if we weren't born the Crown Prince of Dubai. Because you definitely won't see him doing a 9 to 5 at your local McDonald's. But sometimes in order to achieve great things, we need to do more. That could be picking up a double shift, learning a new skill for greater future outcomes, a side hustle that brings extra income to your bank account, drive around for Uber in your downtime. You could maybe turn your passion into a part-time gig, like baking, writing a blog, or make YouTube videos about something that you love. Remember, success or financial freedom does not come easy if you're an average person like the rest of us. And if it does come easy, it will also disappear easily. So success with money will require hard work and dedication. There is simply no way around that. And of course, a bit of luck. But no matter what you do, make sure you're not compromising your happiness or mental health. You should always prioritize your health, happiness, and money in that exact order. HHM. Remember this acronym and don't confuse it with H&M. No. The second skill that you need to master is spending wisely and keeping the money you worked so hard for. It's really easy to click on place order online or tap your phone at the Apple Store. But you gotta be smart about your purchases. Every time you buy something, ask yourself this question. Do I need this or do I want this? If the answer is I need this, then buy it. But if the answer is I want this, then follow it up with another question. Can I afford this in this month's budget? The key word here is budget. If you budgeted for this item, then you can buy it. If not, then I suggest you plan for it first. The third skill is keeping and saving the money you already have. When the temptation to make an impulse purchase is high, think about the bigger picture. What if you saved that money and did that for a long period of time? Well, you can start planning for future goals, whether that's saving to buy a house, investing to become a millionaire, or both. No matter what your goals are, it is important to always think long term and the benefits it could bring to you. It's like planting a seed and patiently waiting for its fruition. And the final skill you need to learn is the ability to give back once you've reached the milestone of being financially free. When you're in a position to give freely, that's when you realize life is good and you're doing your part to change the world. The feeling of giving without asking anything in return is just amazing. So, can you become wealthy? Yes, you absolutely can. But the road ahead will not be without challenges. It requires making smart choices, a lot of sacrifices, planning, and being patient, because nothing worthwhile comes easy. With that said, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you in any way. It would help the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Remember, wealth is like a muscle. No pain, no gain. See you in the next video. Take care.